again. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. I'm Priscilla Batzell. We are in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm going to grab some Floetrol. Actually, I have a GAC 800 Floetrol mixture that I want to try. Whoops, you know what? I don't think that's a mixture of anything. I think whatever it is needs to be shaken. You'll seldom see me scrape a canvas. That was an instant scrape. Let's give that a bit of a shake. Then we're going to give ourselves a puddle of Floetrol and Gac 800 with a lot of bubbles. Also, I happen to have some Exuberant Pink from Sherwin Williams that I added GAC 800 and Floetrol to, that I should have opened before we did this. And I'm in the mood to experiment. Let's mix that around too. Now, being that this is not pillow paint or the thickness of pillow paint, it should spin off fairly easily. What do I also have? I also have Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. And leftover paint that's looking too gloppy to use. By far and away, gloppy gone bad. Sad gloppy. But if I put it into the Floetrol, it might soften it up some. Complete farce at this point. That's going in the bucket along with the spatula. I'm going to take some of my tricorn black, which is a Sherwin Williams product. And I'm wondering if I have any of my PPG left. I don't have much. PPG Speed Hide. I'm supposed to be making some more. I didn't do a good job with that. Let me see what I've got for color art. That needs the top to go back on it. I have Black Iris, which could be cool. And since there's nothing serious going on here and a lot of playfulness, I think I'm going to use some Orange Crush with Big Apple in it, which are both Prizm pours. Then I'm going to grab a palette knife and some cell activator. And what cell activator am I going to use? I'm going to use some of the golden magenta right after I put some white, Amsterdam white Floetrol. I kind of want some black as well, so I'm going to use some Atelier black. These are not the same viscosity, so it should be really interesting. I'm actually glad that came out. And I think that's going in the bucket. This is going to be over in a heartbeat because I don't really have any time. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I want to put some more Atelier black on though, on one of my little acetate tools. fill in my places on my canvas that are missing paint. Now this might spin off, like everything might go. I don't want to get too frisky because I had some nice cells there a second ago. Alright, let's do it. I've become a spin addict. Part of me just wants to put black cell activator on something. Oh, that's pretty nice. So a little bit of everything. What do you, goulash spin. That's pretty nice. We still have some nice big cells. I think I do want to grab another acetate tool and some black cell activator. And I will use my acetate tool with all of the paint that's spun off to cover my edge. And there's a fair amount of edge that needs to be covered on at least one side that I can see. But there's also a fair amount of paint that covered everything else. So there's only one edge that's, even that one's not very uncovered. Alright, so, do I wreck it? Do I see how it dries? I think I see how it dries. That's pretty nice. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree below the video. So that just goes to show that all your remnants can be put to good use. And I didn't bring my phone, so I can't shimmer that at you. But I'm liking what I'm seeing anyway. Got cells, 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 cells. And I like disproving theories occasionally. I've got one of the wrong lights on. I do wish I had my cell phone. I think that's fairly evenly distributed on, it's not a bad composition on all sides, and I will try and zoom in. It's nice colors. I like the colors. It's a little dramatic. I could go grab my phone. I could try. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. There we go. Those are some beautiful cells. I'm not sure what's going to break up and what's going to stay, but I really wanted to play with utilizing just a GAC 800 Floetrol mix to see what would happen, and I'm not unhappy with my result. We've got some great shimmer. There should be a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for color art products, Prizm pours and primary elements, resin and tools. And if you like what you see, know I'm an affiliate and an advocate for color art. I love it. So I hope you check it out. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for showing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Pardon my dark studio. It's been dark for days every afternoon. This is becoming more and more beautiful as time goes on. So I'm glad I did a hit and run, and I've got to go help my husband cook dinner right now. So it's time for me to run away. And I hope you can see all of that. It's just prettier and prettier as time goes on. Okay, so what I did not tell you is that I have 2 books on the Amazon link that's on the link tree that's under the video. And if you go to my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you if you shop there. But it helps me out, and I appreciate that. My paint pouring recipes are under the video. Hopefully I can write down everything I just did. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on the link tree, along with Society 6, Legaler's clothing, my website. My community board is on my YouTube channel. I am accepting people to join the channel right now for $9.99 a month, and you get access to an entire free library for members only. What else can I tell you? All kinds of stuff. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. If you need to ask me a question, feel free. Please do that, and I will speak at you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.